Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good, and this is our part 2 class 10 important questions video. So in this video I am going to cover chapter 5th to chapter 15th, very important question, and I hope you already seen my part first video in which I had already covered chapter 1 to chapter 4, very important questions. So let's begin with the questions which are coming from 5th chapter and which are most important. So from exercise 5.1 you have to do question number 1st, 3rd and 4th, question 2nd, 5th part, and from question 3rd, 4th part, and question 4th, 8th part. From exercise 5.2 you have to do question number 9, 11, 13, 14, 16 and 20, which is very important question. Please mark this. From exercise 5.3 you have to cover question number 6th, 10th, 8th one, 11 and 16. This 2-3 questions are important question. Please mark this. From this arithmetic progression, this all are important question. I hope you note down. Let's move to another chapter, which is triangle. Triangles. In this, first of all, we have to go through the theorem 6.1, which is very important theorem. From exercise 6.2 you have to do question number 6, 7 and 9th. This all 3 questions are very important. Please mark this. Then we have to go through theorem 6.3, theorem 6.3 and theorem 6.3. Next, example 7, which is also important, very important question. Example 7. From exercise 6.3 you have to cover question 6th, 10th, 11, 13, 16. 6th and 10th is important question, and these are the concept based questions, so please go through. Let's see some other question on the next page of 6th chapter. From exercise 6.4 you have to do question 5th, 7th. These 2 are also important question. Please mark this. Again you have to do theorem 6.8. This is important. From exercise 6.5 you have to do question 9, 11, 12, 15 and 16. Please note down this. Let's move to next chapter, which is 7th, coordinate geometry. From exercise 7.1 question number 3rd, 6th, 8th, 9th, 10th. These are important questions. From 7.2 exercise we have to cover question 4th, 7th, 9th and 10th. Please note down. From this chapter this much questions are enough to solve this, and please go through the concept so that you can do any type of questions which are coming in the exam. Let's move to our next chapter, which is 8th chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. From this, we have to cover from exercise 8.1, question number 7th, 8th, 9th. From exercise 8.2, we have to do question second part, question first, second part, and question second, also second part, and question third, which is also important. From exercise 8.3, we have to cover question number 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. From exercise 8.4, we have to do question 3rd and question 5th, second part, 4th part, 6th part, 9th part, and 10th part. These are important questions. So in this way, our 8th chapter important questions are completed. Please note down. Let's move to our next chapter, which is 9th, some applications of trigonometry. Ninth, some applications of trigonometry. In this, we have to do exercise 9.1. Very selective question we are doing from this exercise, so that your whole concept are going to brush up. In this, question 5th, 7th, 9th, 13th, 14th, and 15th. This much questions are enough to prepare well from this chapter. प्लीज आप इन क्वेश्चंस को भी अच्छे से कर लीजिएगा. जितनी मैंने अभी वीडियो में स्टार्टिंग से लेके जो क्वेश्चंस बताए, आप इन क्वेश्चंस के कंसेप्ट को एक बार कर लीजिए अच्छे से. आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर आप बहुत अच्छा स्कोर करने वाले हैं. लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, विच इज सर्कल. 10th chapter, circles. Exercise 10.1, you have to do question number 3rd. In this chapter, examples are also important. Example 2 and 3 are important questions. Please mark this. From exercise 10.2, question 10, 11, 12 are important questions. Very important questions. Please mark this much. Let's move to another chapter, which is 11th, construction. In this, we have to cover exercise 11.1, question first, exercise 11.2, question number 3rd, 5th, and 6th. This much question, if you will do, this chapter is going to finish and you will going to learn all the concepts of this chapter. सिर्फ इतने से क्वेश्चंस कर लीजिए एंड कंसेप्ट्स को ध्यान रखिए, रटिएगा मत, एंड उसे एक बार आप समझ के इसे सॉल्व करिए बिना देखे. आपके चैप्टर्स बहुत आसानी से कवर हो जाएंगे. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, विच इज 12th, एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल. In this, we have to do exercise 12.1, question second, which is important question. Please mark this. Question 4th also. From exercise 12.2, we have to cover question 6th, 9th, and 11th questions. Exercise 12.3, question number 5th, 6th, 10th, 15th, and 16th. Please note down this much. questions are enough to do from this chapter. बस इतना कर लीजिए, गारंटी आपका ये वाला चैप्टर भी हो जाएगा। कंसेप्ट्स पे ध्यान दीजिएगा, रटिएगा मत, प्लीज मेक श्योर अबाउट दिस। लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर विच इज 13th, सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम। With in this exercise 13.1, question number 4th, 6th, 8th and 9th. From exercise 13.2 you have to do question 5th and 7th. मैंने जो क्वेश्चंस मार्क करा है इस चैप्टर में से, ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो लास्ट 2 to 3 ईयर से आ रहे हैं। एंड इन क्वेश्चंस की मदद से आपका जो कंसेप्ट है इस चैप्टर का ये बेसिकली कवर हो जाएगा। एंड थोड़े इजी क्वेश्चन है ये चैप्टर, आई थिंक थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर होता है कुछ बच्चों के लिए। सो प्लीज मेक श्योर आप अगर इसे स्किप मत करिए, ये वाले क्वेश्चंस का कंसेप्ट एक बार अच्छे से कर लीजिए ताकि आपका ये वाला चैप्टर भी कवर हो जाए एंड आप एक अच्छा स्कोर करवाएं। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 8th and 9th. After from the remaining exercise of this chapter is excluded because of the reduced syllabus. So further exercise we don't have to do, like frustum of cone. This time this syllabus is deleted. Let's move to our next chapter, which is 14th chapter, statistics. In this exercise 14.1, question number 5th, 7th, 9th. From exercise 14.2, question number 3 and 6. From exercise 14.3 you have to do question number 4th, 5th, 7th. बस इतने क्वेश्चन कर लीजिए, आपको गारंटीड चैप्टर ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा बहुत अच्छे से। स्टैटिक्स तक कुछ लेंथी चैप्टर नहीं है, बहुत इजी चैप्टर है। इन सारे क्वेश्चन से आपका अच्छा हो जाएगा। एंड द लास्ट चैप्टर विच इज आवर प्रोबेबिलिटी। 2 मिनट, विच इज आवर चैप्टर 15th, प्रोबेबिलिटी। एक्सरसाइज 15.1, 7th, 8, 16, 17 and 21 are the 21 is the very important question. Please make sure आप इसको अच्छे से कर लीजिए। एंड रेस्ट मैंने स्टार्टिंग से लेके जो आपको एंड तक ये जितना भी बताया है, प्लीज मेक श्योर आप ये अच्छे से कर लीजिए सारे क्वेश्चन। सो वेल आप बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर पाएंगे क्लास 10 में। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। सो प्लीज like this and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.